Right, so the AC is on. This is the sound it makes. Let's pop the hood. Try and do this one-handed. There we go. Sounds like it's coming from this side on the left hand side. If anyone knows if that's normal, please let me know in the comments below.